My name is Maurice Schapen, I'm DJ with Copain Deluxe, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about our speaker system. As you can see, we have got two F12s from Decibel Technologies right over here. It's a speaker with a 12-inch woofer and a 1-inch compression driver, and an RMS power of 400 watts. 300 watts is for the woofer, and the high frequencies has got a 100 watts RMS power. The speaker plays from 65 till 20 kilohertz, and it only weighs 16.5 kilos, so that's not so heavy. Let's go on to the back panel. Over here. First of all, we've got over here the power input and the fuse. Over here we have got the on or off knob, just a switch. And let's move on to the input panel. It's right over there. Let's go further on there. So this is the input panel for the Flexsys F12. I will first turn it off to show you the microphone inputs and outputs. The input is a female jack, the output is a male microphone output, so it's pretty easy. To make it everything right, we just plug a male microphone cable into the female, so just a click. The power is in and we can turn it on. Every LED is on, and the lower LED is the ready LED, so he's ready to play music. Over here we have got a sensitivity knob. If we turn it off, no music of course. Pretty harder music. But the speaker also has got two modes. For example, the flat mode. That means the processor arranged some different hertz settings. So in the flat mode, it's more for live applications, for example a live band or something like that. In the processed mode, it's more for playback music, so we can plug it, put it on, just like this. Another possibility is to just plug a jack into this hole, and then we can just link a microphone with it, just as that, and we have to switch it then to the mic, of course, by this switch. That's everything on the back panel. Let's go further on to some other things. For example, this dust cover or transportation cover. It's just nylon, and every handle is still reachable, the two on side, and of course the one on top. It doesn't go away by this little strap. Put them loose, you can get rid of protection cover. So another special feature on the Flex F12 is that you can rig them into your truss system or standard installation in a club or something. Let's move on. As you can see, we have got a screw hole here. The whole speaker cabinet is equipped with 12 and 10 holes. If you can screw these loose, for example, just by using such a tool, you lose these screws. It's pretty easy to do. So we've got a M10 hole in here, and you can plug in optional eye bolts. I already did here pretty handy if you want to rig the system into a truss or something like that, or in a club where it stands for a while. This is an application you can do. So you can put them on poles like I already did earlier in the movie. You can rig them, and let's move on to the monitor system. As you can see, I turned the speaker on its side, so now you can use it as a monitor. Special feature is that we can change the direction of the high frequency tweeter. If you get rid of the grill, you can turn actually the whole tweeter, so the direction of the high frequencies is horizontal, so that's better for applications when the speaker is used in the monitor position. That's actually everything I can tell you about these speakers. I really like it, and I hope you enjoyed my review. See you later.